Hi everyone, this is Adela of Alguno Diaries. Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to repot my devil's ivy or pothos in a separate container, and I also bought this moss pole, which I'm going to allow the pothos ivy to climb vertically. So I had these baby pothos or devil's ivy before, and I grow them in small pots like this. If you saw in my other video, I soak the pothos, the clippings or the cuttings, in water first, so it allows the roots to grow before I put them in a small pot like this. And so this is what we're going to use today, so I can transfer them in a bigger container. We want to leave a place here because that's where we put the pipe for this one. That's enough. And then we will cover this part with soil. So this is the tip of the other end, so I plan to just move it around like that. So it's going to cling on our moss pole. Alright, so what we do with the tip here, I have this yarn which I had for my crochet. I'll just get a piece. I'll just get a small piece. So we're going to tie this part here so it continues to grow like that, just for support.